Dodamarg Taluka, situated in Maharashtra's Sindhudurg district, lies at the convergence of Maharashtra, Goa, and Karnataka within one of the world's 8 recognized biodiversity hotspots, the Western Ghats. 63 villages, thousands residents, and no functional mobile or internet connectivity. Each season, elephants, leopards, and wild boar migrate through this corridor, entering agricultural land at night. Crops are destroyed. Livelihoods are lost. Lives are at risk. And with no communication infrastructure in place, there was no means of issuing timely warnings across villages. A research team from AISSMS Institute of Information Technology, Pune, led by Dr. Sarika Panwar and Dr. Rakesh Dhumale, conducted field surveys across all 11 villages, engaging farmers, Gram Panchayat members, and Forest Department officials. The team partnered with the Maharashtra Forest Department, Savantwadi Division, under the endorsement of Deputy Conservator of Forests, and collaborated with licensed wireless communication expert, Mr. Nitin Ainapure, VU2CAN, and the Radio Amateur Club of Kolhapur. A detailed technical proposal was developed and submitted to the IEEE Humanitarian Technologies Board's Tech for Good program. In September 2025, the IEEE Tech for Good approved a grant of $9,700 for the project Wireless Communication for Wildlife Protection at Dodamarg, District Sindhudurg of Maharashtra. The system deployed is a VHF wireless communication network. A base station at the Range Forest Office in Dodamarg enables forest officials to broadcast real-time wildlife alerts. A repeater station at Talkat extends coverage across 30 square kilometers. And in each of the 11 villages, a solar-powered public address system delivers audible alerts directly to communities, independent of the power grid. Implementation ran from September 2025 to March 2026. By March 2026, the network was fully operational, the first of its kind in this region. For the first time, a forest official can issue an alert that reaches all 11 villages within seconds. Communities receive advance warning, enabling residents to take shelter and secure their livelihoods. The system also reduces the risk of retaliatory harm to wildlife, strengthening rather than disrupting the coexistence of people and animals. The project reached the most vulnerable populations in the region, including low-income farming families and indigenous communities who had previously had no access to any formal early warning infrastructure. This project was made possible by the IEEE Humanitarian Technologies Board and the IEEE Tech for Good program, a global initiative that funds technology solutions for social good. The IEEE Pune section served as fiscal intermediary. We express our sincere gratitude to Matthew Imhoff, Chair, Tech for Good, Committee of the IEEE Humanitarian Technologies Board, to the Maharashtra Forest Department, Savantwadi Division, to Mr. Nitin Ainapure and the Radio Amateur Club of Kolhapur, and to the thousands of people of Dodamarg for their trust and partnership. Technology, guided by purpose, can protect lives. This project is evidence of that. Thank you.